well, after we pray the prayer and what we receive. We must understand it. Do I have any other questions this afternoon? Come on down here, clown lady. You are the clown lady, is that right? Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from a little place called Dallas, North Carolina. But my family's from Bryson, so we moved up here because we love this area. Who I am, my name is Frances Gibbons, but my friends call me Sparky. I've been in politics, I guess, for 10 years, signing petitions, trying to get other people informed about things that are going on. And, you know, for the most part, most people weren't interested. And it's very discouraging sometimes, but our nation is on a downward spiral. And we've got to speak out. I'm not a politician, or I'm just a simple person that loves my nation. And I got a letter here that I wanted to read to you because I thought it was important. And believe me, it's not all these pages. It's only one, and a little bit on the back. But it's going to tell you some things that you can do as American citizens to get the people here in your community involved. Okay, I hope it'll help you. This is from the Family Research Council, and they are a legislative action group from out of Washington, D.C. And this is what they are doing, and they're asking us to help them. So I'm going to read it to you. In 1787, when the Constitutional Convention decided not to reform the legal Articles of Confederation, but rather assemble a new constitution, they faced a tremendous challenge in gaining the support of the citizens of this young nation. The process lasted for months and included numerous public town hall type meetings. Many of these meetings were held in churches, moderated by pastors. No one thought the church an odd setting for discussing the fundamental issues of government. The church had been, from days of the earliest settlements in the New World, the focal point of education, debate, and action about the most pressing moral and political matters of the day. Today must be no different. The leaders God has raised up for his people have to be ready to proclaim the whole counsel of God concerning the Bible's clear instructions about the sacredness of human life from conception to natural death. This is more urgent than perhaps ever before because under the proposed health insurance scheme being advanced by President Obama and his allies in Congress, Americans would be compelled to pay for abortion on demand by financing insurance companies that pay for abortion services, fund the leading provider of abortion in the nation, Planned Parenthood, foot the bill for government panels that would foster the notion that self-determination, suicide, is a sound moral and financial option for the elderly. Additionally, the Obama proposed fails to protect vital conscious rights for health care providers, whereby exposing them to the threat of being required to perform abortion-related services. As you will see in the documents we have linked at the bottom of this page, these are indisputable facts, not assertions, and are confirmed by sources as diverse as the Associated Press and the Obama administration itself. Now this is your part. We are calling on pastors and church leaders nationwide to hold forums in your churches where these matters can be discussed and exposed. And it is to that end that we're sending you the material in this package so that you can create your own town hall meetings, just as our founding fathers did more than 2 centuries ago to inform and activate the people in your pews and communities. This is not about politics, and there is no need to fear any breach of IRS rules concerning what a church can and cannot do. The federal government is in... I'm sorry. Right there. Thank you. Where am I? The federal government is imposing policies that are for essential Christian teaching. Whether you are a Democrat or a Republican, these matters go to the heart of the proclamation of the truth we as believers are charged to deliver. Moreover, Christian people need to know what's happening in D.C. and how it will affect them. The use of their tax dollars, the way medical care will be provided to their unborn babies and their elderly loved ones, and even the conscientious objectives of healthcare professionals who refuse to dispense abortion drugs. Again, there are no IRS issues regarding political participation. And this is not a political discussion about candidates or election. This is a public policy discussion in which churches have a right and responsibility to engage. Take a few moments to review the town hall kit on the website through the internet links, and we are providing you with all the material. That's a really important part that you will need to conduct this powerful, respectful, and informative event. Our founders understood that without the churches of America, the new nation could never have been formed. Without the churches today, I would agree, it cannot be sustained. Your role in this effort is critical, and thank you for all you are doing for our country and its future. And that's signed by Tony Perkins. I don't know if you know him or not. He was in Asheville, North Carolina last year. I didn't get to go, but this is what we need to do. You know, the churches have kind of taken a step back, and I don't see anybody from my church here. I'm disappointed. You know, we've got to do what we can do, and this man is saying that we can do it. And these papers are this kit. It's right there online. It's got your pastor's, even his pastor's sermon, you know, he can preach. It's all right in there. So check the Family Research Council. Those two pieces of paper that I gave out are concerning this, at least the one organization. The other one is a grassroots petition that you can go online and sign, and I encourage you to do so, and thank you.
Thank you very much. And in case y'all don't have computers, there are a few people out there that don't ever sit down to one. I'm probably one of those people. But we do have this kind of information at our headquarters at 482 West Main Street. So, and we try to keep it open as often as we possibly can.